Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 42. I'm gonna need you to bear with me a little bit, because there is some nuance involved. Can you do it? But first, this is just good news. Betty McCollum is back home in Minnesota, doing Get Out the Vote for David Godfrey, who must win his election in State House District 40B for us to be tied. We need federal reps to be working at state level. And here's another example. Hank Johnson joined Rua Roman's weekly huddle to talk about what's happening in the federal government and what we can do about it. Jake Auchincloss was on CNN's State of the Union, and he talked about how the reddest part of his district felt about how DT talked to Zelensky. He does not mince words. Here's where we get to the nuance. Ro Khanna is hosting 3 town halls on Sunday, March 23rd. In the morning, he'll be in California 22 in Bakersfield. And in the afternoon and evening, he'll be in California 41 in Corona and Anaheim. These are both districts with a Republican in hiding. And hopefully, while he's doing these town halls, he can get asked about what he said on Fox News today, siding with Fetterman. Enough said. But it doesn't matter how frequently an elected does the right thing, we have to praise them when they do. Doing town halls like this is the right thing. And then we have Tom Suozzi, who did vote to censure, but he is also in Scamtos's old district. He went on Face the Nation with Republican Brian Fitzpatrick, and he didn't let him or Margaret Brennan get away with anything. He consistently goes on programs that fiscal Republicans frequent, and he is very, very good at it. Sheldon Whitehouse has a podcast called Making the Case. He put out a new episode 5 days ago, but luckily he also promoted it today. All about judicial lobbying. And finally, DNC Vice Chair David Hogg is in Florida 1, doing Get Out the Vote for Gay Valamont. So for anyone who thought the DNC isn't paying attention to Florida elections, think again. I hope you're willing to see the nuance. It's imperative to praise people who don't always do the right thing when they do. Our voice is our superpower, but only when we use it.